Former Chief Minister CLP leader Okram Ibobi has asserted that 5 MLAs from opposition Congress party are ready to resign for the sake of Manipur and its people. Speaking over the phone to people of Thoubal and Kangabok constituencies who had come to his residence at Thoubal Athopa Makhalaikai yesterday, Okram Ibobi had reportedly expressed his disappointment over state government and centre, which has failed to maintain law and order situation in Manipur. He added that Chief Minister was apprised several times to seek an appointment with Prime Minister Narendra Modi so that all MLAs from the state can meet and discuss Manipur issue. However, the Chief Minister has failed to get the appointment with the Prime Minister. Okram Ibobi further added that opposition parties still want a meeting with Prime Minister along all MLAs from Manipur in order to work towards resolving the ongoing crisis.
Government ji natabida MLA ama uina kari tawbi gadage hojik asi kumba phibam sida leiraba buda kari thawdang lobi gadage asim tang parts abiu
khaba ngang sahi phat bangang mama gi matha da ko banga matri ya ko chu thamoi si kai mi shoi budi ko da ba ko aduna tawu tawbi haji prime minister na home minister da masiri ai da sahi ama pakhai mamang da home minister mi to ka dai da hai sabne ba koi di ne thana gi du mahai da kari gino sing mantri ani wo ada phamaga adili da phamaga sum thammi si kari gino ba mantri ani se uju bo no puk le action lo gi kari gino ba adu akoi ni ko akoi na haye si ni moi to bi ga da ba action lo bi ga da ba sarkar sina center sina thabo to bi o hai na koi ni han da ji ada dili da appointment bi o honorable prime minister ya da tha ma khaya mo bi ga ba